Yo, listen up, peeps. It's time to drop some mad laundry knowledge with laundry sauce, straight from the laundromat to your eardrums. Picture this. You, the laundry hero, saving the day with a bounce in your step and a fresh scent in the air. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So there I was, chilling with a pile of dirty laundry, feeling like a straight-up laundry rookie. But then I discovered laundry sauce, and oh boy, did it change the game. This stuff is like a superhero cape for your clothes, bringing them back to life with bold fragrances that make them smell straight up sophisticated. With every load, I became a laundry hero, rescuing my garments from the grips of funkiness. Australian sandalwood, crisp bergamot, wood leather, Indonesian patchouli, Alaskan cedarwood, Egyptian rose. These ain't just fancy words, they're the secret sauce that leaves your clothes smelling like a boss. No more plain old detergent, nah. Laundry sauce is the real deal, dropping freshness on stains like it's hot. And those oversized pods, they're like mini laundry warriors, taking down dirt and grime like it's their job. Plus, they work in all types of washing machines, so you can get your laundry game on, no matter what you're rolling with. But yo, it ain't just about smelling good. Laundry sauce is all about that performance, making your clothes look and feel saucy. Say goodbye to static cling and hello to clothes that are softer than a fresh pillow. And don't even get me started on those premium scented dryer sheets. They're like a hug from a fluffy cloud. I joined the Sauciety, a community of driven, passionate peeps who know that laundry ain't just a chore, it's a chance to shine. So grab your laundry sauce, unleash your inner laundry hero, and save the day one load at a time. Trust me, your clothes will thank you for it. Laundry sauce. It's the hero your laundry deserves. So step up, players, and let's get this laundry party started. Get your laundry sauce on and join the Sauciety. Shop now and become a laundry hero.
Listen up, folks. We've got the most tremendous laundry solution in the history of laundry solutions. It's called Laundry Sauce. And let me tell you, it's going to make your laundry great again. Believe me, nobody does laundry like I do, and I endorse this message. Picture this, you, a laundry superstar, tackling that huge pile of dirty clothes like a boss. With Laundry Sauce, you'll be winning bigly. We've got scents that are so luxurious, so incredible, you won't believe it. Australian sandalwood, crisp bergamot, wood leather, Indonesian patchouli, Alaskan cedarwood, Egyptian rose. It's a laundry revolution, folks. When it comes to stains, Laundry Sauce means business. Those little pods, they're like magic bullets, obliterating dirt and grime like nobody's business. And let me tell you, they work with any washing machine because we're all about freedom of choice. No more weak detergent. It's time to make your laundry strong again. But it's not just about the cleaning power, folks. Laundry Sauce is all about making your clothes look tremendous. Say goodbye to static cling and hello to clothes that are softer than a cloud. And those dryer sheets, they're the icing on the cake, folks. Your clothes will come out smelling so amazing, you'll want to wear them twice. I'm telling you, folks, I've seen the reviews, and they're incredible. People are raving about Laundry Sauce. It's a total winner, just like me. So don't wait, folks. Get your hands on some Laundry Sauce, and let's make your laundry great again. It's going to be huge. Don't miss out, folks. Get your Laundry Sauce now and join the winning team. It's going to be tremendous.
Yo, fellow laundry aficionados, it's your genius, billionaire, playboy, philanthropist friend Tony Stark here, and I've got something to share with you that even Iron Man can't resist. It's time to talk about Laundry Sauce, the ultimate secret weapon for your laundry game. Now, I'm used to saving the world and rocking the latest gadgets, but even I appreciate the finer things in life, like a fresh and sophisticated wardrobe. That's where Laundry Sauce comes in. This stuff is like the arc reactor of laundry detergents, powering up your clothes with a scent that's out of this world. I've tried many detergents in my time, but Laundry Sauce takes freshness to a whole new level. Let's talk about their Australian sandalwood scent. It's like walking through a high-end fashion show in Milan, surrounded by elegance and style. The blend of exotic woods, cedarwood, and a touch of rose creates a fragrance that's as irresistible as pepper pots in an evening gown. But let's not forget the performance, my friends. These laundry pods are like mini Iron Man suits for your clothes, fighting stains with unmatched precision. Whether it's oil from a Mark III prototype or grass stains from a superhero landing, Laundry Sauce tackles them all like a pro. And the best part? It works wonders in any washing machine from the Avengers Tower to your humble laundromat. Now I know what you're thinking. Tony, what about the details? Well, fear not, my fellow laundry enthusiasts. Laundry Sauce doesn't mess around. It's free of unnecessary ingredients like dyes and sulfates, making it as clean as a Stark Industries invention. And the packaging? It's environmentally friendly, just like my commitment to sustainable technology. So, if you're ready to upgrade your laundry routine from a Stark Industries prototype to a Mark XL VI suit, It's time to suit up with laundry sauce. Trust me, folks, this stuff is the real deal. Your clothes will feel so fresh and powerful that you might just conquer the world. Tony Stark, signing off with a fresh and fabulous I Love Laundry Sauce 3000. Disclaimer: this review is a work of fiction and does not reflect the personal endorsement of any real-life individual, or superhero, or fictional character like Tony Stark.
Listen up, agents. This is Nick Fury, director of S.H.I.E.L.D., and I've got some intel that'll blow your minds. We're talking laundry sauce, the top secret weapon for your laundry battles. If you're ready to take your clothes from ordinary to extraordinary, you better strap in for this review. Now, I've seen it all: alien invasions, superhuman battles, you name it. But one thing that still gets under my skin is stale laundry. That's where laundry sauce comes in, like a covert operation for freshness. Their Australian sandalwood scent is the real deal, a blend of exotic woods and cedarwood that'll have you feeling like you're strolling through a hidden oasis. But it's not just about the scent, people. We need results, and laundry sauce delivers. Those pods are like undercover agents, infiltrating stains with precision and leaving your clothes looking sharp and clean. And the best part? They work seamlessly with any washing machine, whether you're in S.H.I.E.L.D.'s state-of-the-art facility or your mom's basement. I've been in the game long enough to know that details matter. Laundry sauce is on point when it comes to performance. No unnecessary ingredients, no artificial nonsense, just pure cleaning power that'll make your clothes look like they've been through a S.H.I.E.L.D. training program. And let's not forget the packaging. It's eco-friendly, like a stealth mission for Mother Earth. We got to protect this planet while keeping our clothes fresh. It's a win-win situation. So, if you're tired of laundry battles that leave your clothes defeated, it's time to assemble your laundry arsenal with laundry sauce. It's the secret weapon you never knew you needed, and once you've experienced its power, there's no going back. Nick Fury, out. Disclaimer: this review is a work of fiction and does not reflect the personal endorsement of any real-life individual or superhero.
Hey, fellow tech superstars and laundry connoisseurs, Dan Martell here, founder of SaaS Academy, founder of Clarity.fm, and I'm ready to drop some serious knowledge bombs on the laundry game. Get ready to level up with laundry sauce, the SaaS solution for your dirty clothes. Trust me, this is the secret sauce you've been waiting for. Now, I've built successful companies, crushed Ironman races, and mentored aspiring entrepreneurs. But let me tell you, nailing the laundry game is a whole different challenge. That's where laundry sauce steps in like a Canadian tech star, solving problems with precision and style. Let's talk about their Australian sandalwood scent. It's like a well-designed user interface, smooth and irresistible. With a blend of exotic wood, cedarwood, and a touch of rose, your clothes will be feeling as fresh as a newly deployed app. But here's the real kicker: the performance. Those laundry pods are like high-performance SaaS products, delivering knockout results with every load. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and hello to clothes that are cleaner than a line of code. And guess what? They seamlessly integrate with any washing machine, from the most basic to the most high-tech, just like my tech solutions. Laundry sauce doesn't mess around with unnecessary features. It's all about clean and efficient laundry power. No fluff, no dyes, no sulfates, just pure performance. And the packaging? It's as sleek and eco-friendly as my latest tech gadget. We've got to keep our planet in top shape while keeping our clothes in top form. So, my fellow tech superstars, it's time to optimize your laundry routine with laundry sauce. Consider it your personal SaaS Academy for fresh clothes. Get ready to rock that startup vibe, impress investors with your impeccable style, and crush the laundry game like the Canadian tech star you are. Dan Martell signing off with a laundry revolution that'll make Clarity.fm proud. Disclaimer: this review is a work of fiction and does not reflect the personal endorsement of any real-life individual.
Hey there, champions. Todd Herman here, ready to unleash the alter ego of your laundry routine with laundry sauce. Get ready to step into the mindset of a superstar athlete and dominate your laundry game like never before. We're talking next-level performance here, folks. As a mind coach to the world's top athletes, I know that success starts with mindset. And when it comes to laundry, it's all about tapping into your alter ego. That's where laundry sauce comes in. Transforming your clothes from ordinary to extraordinary with their Australian sandalwood scent. It's like activating your secret weapon, igniting your senses, and boosting your confidence. But we're not here to play small, my friends. Laundry sauce is all about delivering championship-level performance. Those laundry pods are like the training regimen of an elite athlete, tackling stains with precision and leaving your clothes looking like winners. And the best part? They work flawlessly with any washing machine, so you can maintain your winning streak no matter where you are. Details matter, and laundry sauce knows that. No unnecessary ingredients, no distractions, just a pure focus on excellence. We're talking about a laundry routine that's as streamlined and efficient as my 90-day year system. And let's not forget about the packaging. It's as sleek and stylish as the alter egos my clients create to dominate their fields. We're talking about a complete package here, folks: performance, mindset, and style. So, if you're ready to tap into your alter ego and conquer the laundry game, it's time to step up with Laundry Sauce. This is your opportunity to bring championship-level freshness and confidence to your wardrobe. Get in the zone, activate your Laundry Sauce alter ego, and let the world see your laundry mastery. Todd Herman, signing off with a laundry routine that'll make your alter ego proud. Disclaimer: this review is a work of fiction and does not reflect the personal endorsement of any real-life individual.